Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best promo codes for Mytheresa in 2024. So Mytheresa is an online clothing shop where you can buy different type of luxury clothes. And today I'm going to show you the best promo discounts for this shop. So in order to do that, go to your Google and search for Mytheresa promo code. So right here, you should be able to find this very first option, which is couponfollow.com. And right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes. And for example, if I want to use this 20% off my next purchase, I can just simply press the show coupon button. And this is the discount code. So I'm going to use this one at my checkout and I will get 20% off my next purchase. And if you go back to your main Google search right here and scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is retrieve.com. And right here, we also have a list with different type of promo codes. And for example, if I want to get this 10% off discount, I can simply select copy code right here and use that discount code on my checkout in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.